Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to another exciting cooking tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to make a delicious beef stew. So, let's get started. First things first, gather all the ingredients you'll need: beef stock cubes, mixed herbs, garlic granules, tomato paste, Cajun seasoning, and of course, beef. Now, let's get cooking. Start by browning the beef in a pan. Once it's nice and golden, add in the beef stock cubes, mixed herbs, garlic granules, and tomato paste. Stir everything together until it's well combined. Next, pour in a can of chopped tomatoes and a can of water. Give it all a good mix, and then cover the pan with a lid. Let the stew simmer for about 45 minutes, stirring occasionally. After 45 minutes, add in a can of kidney beans and a can of sweet corn. Stir everything together and continue cooking for another 15 minutes. Finally, it's time to season the stew with Cajun seasoning. Give it a taste and adjust the seasoning to your liking. And there you have it, a hearty and flavorful beef stew that's perfect for a cozy dinner or a family meal. Thank you so much for joining me in this cooking tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!